Let me start the meeting. Hello, everyone. This February 17th SIG Windows weekly meeting. The meeting will be recorded, so please adhere to CNCF code of conduct. Let me bring up the SIG Windows doc. As we do not have a new peoples here, so we will jump to the agenda. Yeah, maybe first one here. Hello? Would you want to talk about the first one here?
For this one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I basically took this one from the thread that we had in Slack. Um, yeah. So basically, I remember that Mark said that some of the items here have been reviewed and probably work already, but we may need to like go back and update the description up to date. So without Mark here, probably we won't be able to do it. We may need to save this one for next time.
Okay. Yeah. Um. Okay. The second one is that the second and third one is that I have sent off to separate PR to publish 2025 related image for Kubernetes end-to-end test. The second one is for the pause image to to support Windows 2025. There was people comments need to have comments from SIG Windows. So maybe Mark or Arvin, if you have times, maybe take a look at this one, and after that, I think I can keep ping the corresponding SIG testing people to make them to make the PR move forward.
Okay. I thought that for one of these PRs, I did look at it and I thought I saw LGTM from Mark.
Oh, not this one, but the other one. So this is for pause image. But
Oh, I see, I
yeah,
see.
this one is for Windows E2E test image. For Windows E2E test image, we have already added support for Eigen host for BusyBox, but for the other left ones is were included in this PR. Yeah, this one has LGTM from Mark. I already pinged Deems and Ventilator or yeah, some people to ask them to approve.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay. Yeah, and the last one. GR.
Right. So how some gaps are in basically on if we go to the current state of the feature gate in beta, it says that is disabled by default, right? Um, so with GA, it will be enabled. It will be
No, 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 no. We never enable this feature by default.
Uh, uh, so should we? I mean, the feature gate. If it's talking about feature gate, should it be enabled by default
Well, let me
in
be,
beta state? Mhm.
that's a good point. So the feature gate can be removed. However, behind the feature gate, there are options. Those options should always default to
false.
false. Yeah.
Correct. Yeah,
Okay.
but I'm talking about the feature gate itself. So the proposal for the promotion, right, to GA would be to remove the feature gate itself or to set it to enable by default.
No, I think the feature gate gets removed. Mark can correct me if I'm wrong, but I think the feature gate gets removed.
Okay. Right. So this is what I need to start to work on then trying the way how to remove the feature gate.
Oh,
It's
Mark is not on the call. Sorry.
Oh, no,
Do you know Yanling?
my understanding is that you do. I mean, in beta state is already enabled. The feature gate is already enabled. So move to prod, we do not need to do anything. In a later stage, we can remove this feature gate. That's my understanding, but I'm not 100% sure. But basically, I don't think we need to remove this feature gate at this stage.
Yeah, we might want to get confirmation on that because
Yeah.
Yanling, the feature gate is defaulted to false.
correct.
So it's not defaulted to true in beta.
You mean for this one or?
Correct.
Yes, for
For
this.
Oh, okay.
it's defaulted to false. It's only features that we want enabled by default in when you go to GA, do you, I think, have a feature gate that defaults to true in beta. So
And this is not the case for no local.
no, this is not the case. This is, we want, like, that's one of the agreements I had with Jordan was, as an API review, is that this feature will never be enabled by default. It'll always
Okay.
default to false. And so my understanding is when a feature goes to GA, you remove the feature gate, is what I thought, but I am not sure.
Okay. Yeah.
I am not sure whether we leave this there. And yeah, I'm not sure.
Right. So where would be the best forum for me or person to ask about that?
Mark will know.
Okay. Yeah. I'll ping him in Slack then.
Okay.
And Jose, you can also ask internally inside um, OpenShift.
Okay.
Someone like David Eads or it was Mrunal, whoever is your staff engineer, you can ask them the same question.
All right. Yep. So sounds good. We'll
So
do.
Mrunal, basically.
Yep.
But yeah. So, yes. But for even if you enable this feature gate, does it mean that feature will be take effect? Will you
No,
need to? Okay.
you have to also enable the option behind the feature gate.
Okay. Okay. So that means even you enabled it, it will not make much difference, right?
Correct.
Yes, but this is not what I agreed to with
Okay.
API review. So that's why we shouldn't go against that.
Okay. I see.
So like, yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? The end of the day, the way it needs to work on a system is it should never be enabled by default, whatever means that enablement is done. So the feature gate was there as a double guard when it was in alpha and beta. That's the thing that I'm not sure about. When you go to GA, whether we just remove the feature gate or we leave it there. But anyhow, those other options behind it should always default to false, is what I understand.
Yep. I've been looking around for past promotions on features that had feature gates, an option like this one. And as I can see so far, the feature gate goes to true by default, and then the option relies on the kubelet option itself, right? The switch is basically the kubelet option, and then the feature gate get removed in the next release.
I see. Yeah, that could very well be the cadence, Jose.
Yes,
Like I said, I just don't know
right. Okay.
for sure.
All right. Anyhow, I will ask in the chat and see how it goes. I'll also I will try to open a draft PR with a blog, so that following the comment that we got in GitHub as well. So
Okay. Great. There is no further agenda for the meeting. Anything from Lin and Davi?
Nothing for me.
Nothing for me too.
Okay. If if that's the case, Avan, do you have any other thing?
No, nothing else for me.
Okay. Yes. Then let's end this meeting and see you guys next time.
Bye.
Have a good day,
Everybody.
guys.
Bye. Bye.